Have you ever wondered what success is and how you will know when you've reached it? Understanding what success means to you is the only way that you will ever know when you have reached success in your business or your personal life. In today's podcast episode, I will help you define what achieving success in your business and your personal life will look like. There isn't a simple answer when it comes to success. You want to make sure that you're thinking about the different areas in your business and your personal life, and after today's podcast episode, you'll be able to know exactly when you've reached success. It doesn't have to be complicated, but with a little planning, you'll be able to see the path that you're on that's leading you to the success you have defined for yourself and your business. My one-on-one clients go through this process, and together we can pinpoint exactly how they define their success and know exactly when they have reached success in their business and their personal life. Whether you're starting a business or side hustle, you're a self-employed individual, a solopreneur, entrepreneur, mompreneur, freelancer, business owner, bookkeeper, or virtual assistant. Taking some time to define what success means to you, as well as creating a plan for you to reach that success, will help you ensure that you're able to celebrate your success instead of being on a path where you consistently desire achieving success, but you never seem to reach the success that you so strongly desire to achieve. If you're a business owner who wants to take your business to the next level, whether you're starting a business, you're building your business, or you're serious about growing your business, I want to invite you to work with me so that you can meet your goals in the most accelerated, streamlined, and efficient way possible that also aligns with your life and the impact that you want to make with your business. As a CPA, business strategist, and coach, I've created 2 options for you to choose from when you work with me. The first is my Mastering Your Small Business Finances Profit Lab. This is a group program where we have live weekly business meetings and coaching sessions to answer your questions so that you can generate revenues and increase the profit in your business. You can learn more about the Profit Lab by going to financialadventure.com/profit. Or, if you like the idea of working with me on a more private, one-on-one basis, you can schedule a free consultation session where we'll go over where you currently are in your business and where you'd like to see yourself and your business in the future. During this session, we'll begin to map out the steps you need to take to achieve your goals. I'm helping my clients start their businesses, become more profitable, set strategies to move their business forward, and take control of their business and their finances while allowing them the balance and ability to enjoy their personal lives by utilizing business strategy, coaching, mentorship, and support. You can schedule your session today by going to financialadventure.com and clicking on the Work With Me button. By taking action in your business, you'll achieve your goals. By keeping everything simple, you'll avoid confusion and overwhelm. You'll understand your business finances, your next steps, and you'll follow through with the vision that you have for your business. My goal is to help you dream big, follow your heart, and love what you do. You're listening to the Mastering Your Small Business Finances podcast, where we get straight to the point on topics that ultimately affect your bottom line. That's right, as an entrepreneur with a small business, money management, growth, marketing, they all affect your bottom line. I'm your host, Chris Ponick. I'm a certified public accountant, and I've been helping small business owners like you navigate and easily understand these complicated topics for over 25 years. I'm a wife, a mom, a grandmother, and a small business owner myself, so I know your time is valuable. In my free time, I make the best sugar cookies and have mastered an amazing chocolate chip cookie recipe. And that's not just my opinion. You're in the right place. I promise your time will be well spent here. Each week, you'll gain confidence and clarity while making a successful impact on your business and grow your bottom line. Get comfy, grab a cookie, and let's get straight to the point with this week's episode. Welcome back. Success is something that we all strive to achieve, but how do we know that we've achieved it? When you ask individuals how they define success, you'll more than likely have a different answer from each person. Some people will say that having their dream home, a family, or maybe it's when their business reaches a specific goal is what success means to them. It may be when they're able to follow their passion and do work that's meaningful to them, or others may say when they are happy, they have achieved success. Your definition of success will probably be different from anyone you know, but success normally stems from reaching a goal or an accomplishment that you want to achieve. So what if I told you that you'd never feel like you've reached success until you define what success means to you or your business? I've worked with many clients on a one-on-one basis who struggle with defining what success looks like for them. When we work together, we're able to be specific about what is important to them and help them realize their success when they reach it. For you, I'd like you to think about what success would look like in your business. Is it that you make $250,000 in revenue? Is it that there's enough money in the business to pay your salary? You'll never know if you're successful if you don't consider first what success means to you. When you define what success is to you, you'll know when you've reached your success, and you'll find much more satisfaction in your business and your personal life. If you struggle with defining success, you can schedule a free consultation with me, and we can start looking into how I can help you as well. Today, I want to help you define what success means to you in both your personal life and your business. If you own a business, you understand how intertwined your business and your personal life can be. If you don't have a business, you can simply focus on the personal life portion of today's episode. But if you have both, please make sure you take into consider both of these areas. The overall goal for defining what success is in these areas is that you know what you need to do to reach success and find a way that you can measure it all along the way. We'll start off with how you define success in your business. Does success in your business mean reaching a specific financial goal? Is it how many employees you're able to hire? Is it how much of an impact you're making with your products or your services? What is it in your business that you need to accomplish to know when you are successful? When you've figured this out, you are ready to create a strategy and define the goals that you need to reach to get there. Be objective and look at everything in your business when you're creating your strategy. You need a plan. Your first step is to think about what success means to you in your business, and then you can start developing your plan for your 1 month, 6 months, 1 year, 3 years, 5 years, or even a 10-year plan. How long do you think you will need for your plan to work? Once you have this plan in place, set goals to start achieving your success. Make sure that your goals are SMART goals. They need to be specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and timely. Break each goal down into doable actions that you can put on your calendar each week. If you have a failure, use this failure to create results that will lead you to your overall success. Set aside time in your calendar so that you can check in on your goals to make sure that you're on track to reach each of the goals that you are setting. Make sure that you are taking action to move towards your goals, and you should only be working on tasks that are aligned with your goals. If you find you're scheduling work that is not aligned with your goals, take a step back and ask yourself if you really should be doing those tasks. It's up to you to define your success. It will take hard work and perseverance overall, which will lead to your success. But I want you to think about how you will feel when you reach the success that you've defined in your business. Next, let's talk about what success means to you in your personal life. Does success mean doing what you love or what you're passionate about? Making an impact or making a difference in the world? Or simply making a difference in someone else's life? What is your definition of success in your personal life? Is it tangible, like having a specific kind of house or car? Or is it intangible, like the feeling of happiness? You need to create a definition of what a successful relationship is to you, what a successful career is, what having success in your health is, what your money or finances would look like when you are successful, what is a successful work-life balance for you, what is a successful lifestyle, or what having a successful family means to you. You need to define each of these areas in your life with what you believe success is. You need to define it so that you know when you've reached success. If success is determined by a feeling, make note of how you need to feel to reach that success. This is often a challenging area I see when I'm working with my clients on a one-on-one basis. When they come to me for business and life coaching, we work on defining the feelings that they want to feel when they are successful. We dig deep into their thoughts and, with the right questions, we're able to find out what is really important to them. Your success should be aligned with your values in life. You'll also want to create a strategy and goals in your personal life similar to how strategy and goals are created in business, so that you can reach success in these areas. If you're struggling with what success means to you in your business or your personal life, here are a few questions you can start thinking about. What is most important to you? What makes you happy? What do you want to spend your time doing? What do you want to do more of? What do you enjoy doing in your business or your personal life? How much money would you need to save to feel successful? What do you value in life? Success is not measured by one single thing for everyone. The definition of success is personal to each of us. You can focus on what success means to you in your business, your finances, your community, your friendships, and even how success impacts you emotionally. Success is always doing your best to stay on track with your goals, overcoming fear, not giving up, and celebrating all along the way. You need to recognize each step in your strategy for success as an accomplishment and a move closer to achieving the successes that you define in your life. I love helping my clients determine what success is for them in their business and their personal life, and I'd love to hear your definition of success as well. You can go to financialadventure.com and send me an email to let me know how you're defining success after listening to this podcast episode. And, most importantly, I want to hear how you'll know when you are successful. One last thing. There are only a few days left to register to win one of the 5 Life Coaching for Accountants coaching packages that I'm giving away this month. I'm giving back during the month of March to the accountants, CPAs, tax preparers, and bookkeepers who are helping you make sure that you're staying in compliance with your tax filings. This drawing is for the accountants, CPAs, bookkeepers, and especially tax preparers who are taking on additional tasks during tax season to help their clients. I know how hard it can be during a busy season when you're working lots of hours and there are many deadlines to meet. I also understand how much it can impact your personal life, so I'd love for you to let your accountant, CPA, bookkeeper, or tax preparer know that I'm doing a drawing to give away 5 free Life Coaching for Accountants coaching packages where we'll take time to work towards having a less stressed tax season and reduce feelings of overwhelm so that they're able to work at a higher capacity. If you're an accountant, CPA, bookkeeper, tax preparer, or financial professional yourself, you can go to financialadventure.com/accountant to get all the details and to register during the month of March 2023. If you know of an accountant or financial professional who could benefit by taking some time for themselves and improving their lives, please forward this information on to them. I'm sure they would be grateful for the opportunity and that you're thinking about them. If you're listening to this podcast after the month of March 2023, you can check back to see if I'm offering any other specials to thank you for all that you do to help business owners ensure that they're successful in their businesses. They need you, and you are appreciated. I'll post links to this and other helpful resources for accountants and business owners where you're listening to this podcast. And you know I'm going to ask, what's at least one thing that you'll take away from this episode that will help your business succeed and grow your bottom line? If you need some accountability, join our private Facebook community and post your action item. We'd love to support you. Thanks for taking the time to tune into this episode of Mastering Your Small Business Finances. If you enjoyed this episode as much as I enjoyed creating it for you, I'd love for you to give it a 5-star rating and subscribe to the show so you never miss an episode. Visit financialadventure.com for the show notes, links from this episode, and while you're there, leave a comment if you have a topic you're interested in learning more about that affects your bottom line. If you're looking for a community where you can ask questions and get feedback about your small business, join my private Facebook group. You can find the links to this group and more on financialadventure.com. And remember, any financial information shared on this podcast is not to be considered professional, financial, or tax advice and should not be solely relied upon. Please consult your CPA or tax advisor for an opinion on your specific circumstances. I'm looking forward to having you tune in next time. Until then, dream big, follow your heart, and love what you do.